Hi guys, welcome to episode 2 of Thrift Flip, or my Thrift Flip series. This one I'm really excited for. So I got these, or I've actually had these for a while. They were like men's jeans from Goodwill, and then I cropped them. I mean, I really like them how they are, but basically what I'm gonna do is paint these back pockets. So I bought some fabric paint, a bunch of different colors. It was like $12 for a pack of 10, so pretty good deal. And then I got some paintbrushes, and then I have this guy. You could also just use like a thicker paintbrush too if you need. Basically, you just need like a variety of paintbrush sizes, like some really fine tipped ones and then like a few thicker ones, and then painter's tape. And then I also have some cardboard. I literally got this out of the recycling. Just like basically any cardboard, or I guess you could use like something to put under the fabric so that the paint doesn't go through. Don't fully know what I'm gonna paint yet, but I will show you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the cardboard inside the shorts just so that when I paint here, it doesn't leak through and get on the front of the shorts. Basically now what I'm gonna do is tape with the painter's tape just around the pockets. I think I'm gonna paint both pockets eventually, but just with the surface that I'm working on and the cardboard size that I have, I think I'm just gonna do one at a time. But we'll see if I include them both in this video or if I just stay with one. But anyways, I'm gonna tape around these pockets now. All right, so as you can see, it is all taped up and ready to go. And basically just try to get the tape as close as possible to the edge. Like you can see here, I basically like even got it like under the edge a little bit. So you just want it really close so that the paint just stays on the pocket and nowhere else. Okay, the first thing, no matter what you're painting, take your white and take your fat brush and just paint the entire pocket, just like a solid thing of white as like a primer, so that like any other color that you paint will be a lot more vibrant and it won't like soak into the fabric. So it'll just look better if you do like a primer. You could do white, you could do another color as the primer, depending on like what like your color scheme is. But for me, I'm just gonna do white. Still haven't decided what I'm painting, so I'm just gonna start with white because it's like a good neutral. Okay, so this is how it looks after I did the white. I'm gonna let it dry before I do anything else. And of course, just leave the tape on here the whole time until your entire painting is done. Next, I found some inspiration on Pinterest, and I really liked the ones with flowers, so I decided to do some daisies on mine. Okay, so I decided on doing daisies on this pocket, kind of like this, but I'm not gonna copy it exactly. The white paint is not totally dry yet, but honestly, I'm just getting impatient and I kind of want to finish this today, and it's gonna be dark soon. So I'm just gonna try my best on, to do it with the paint not being totally dry, but whatever. Okay, so I need white and yellow and green. Probably more colors, but I can add this as I go. So basically I've just like sketched out the very like basics. I'm gonna go back and add a lot more detail obviously, and then I'm also gonna add like a different color or something in the background. But this is like the base of what it's gonna look like. It'll look a lot better than this when it's done. At least I hope it will. so it's the next day because it got dark before this paint dried. Moved outside because it's nice and sunny. And Sarah's here. She's gonna paint something on her jacket. Everything looks so much better in the sunshine. Also, I decided I'm just gonna do one pocket. I think it'll be cute that way, and it's just taking forever to do one, so just gonna do that. Okay, this is what I have so far. So basically I just added a lot of color into the background, but now like you can see here, like the petals are kind of disappearing into the background, so I'm gonna let it dry again and then come back and add more definition in the petals, and then that's probably gonna be pretty much it. This is Sarah's. Look how pretty it looks. So much detail, wow. For the final touches, I just used some light blue paint to add some shadows and definition to the petals of the daisies. That completes the process. It was really fun, pretty easy, very inexpensive supplies. Yeah, it's always fun to like upgrade some stuff. This thrift flip series has gotten me around to actually like doing the things that I've been putting off, so that's fun. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.